guys, let me tell you how we made pasta. So you take 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, add little bit of salt and olive oil, and separate the egg yolks and the egg white. Take 4 to 5 eggs and add the egg yolk to the flour. Then you use the egg whites to make the dough. Do not add water. And make the dough tight. It should be in this consistency. And then leave it for 30 minutes. Then you can start making the pasta. We use the pasta machine and made the fettuccine pasta. You have to use different settings in the machine and keep feeding it and make it into a thin sheet. Then you can cut it into whatever shape you like. We made fettuccine. Then for the sauce, I made two types of sauces, tomato sauce and spinach and cilantro pesto. So for the tomato sauce, I cut the fresh tomatoes, then grind it. Make sure that you have little bit of tomato pieces left, not too smooth. Then saute finely chopped garlic with the olive oil until golden brown. Then you add the tomato puree to it. Then cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. Then you can add a little bit of salt and crushed red pepper and mix it well. Then you can add fresh basil to it. I didn't have fresh basil, so I added dried basil. If you want, you can add a little bit cheese to it. Then for the pesto, I added fresh cilantro and spinach and pine nuts and grind it into a paste. You can make it either coarse or smooth. You can also add little bit of fresh basil to it. I added dried basil. Then add sauteed garlic and pine nuts to it. For the vegetables, I used red peppers, mushrooms, broccoli, and also fresh tomatoes, walnuts. You can use your favorite toppings to it. And the broccoli, you just have to put it in boiling water. Other vegetables, you can just saute it. And you mix it in the pasta and enjoy it. Now the pasta is ready and we are going to mix it. So let me taste the tomato. The sauce is too good. The pesto, that garlic. Awesome. The pesto with the garlic and the walnuts. It's tasting excellent. Bye.